This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in, now go straight to the profile whose ID link you need. Click the person's name from a post, search results, or your friends list. Once the profile loads, pause and confirm you can see the About or three-dot menu. This ensures you have the right view. Make sure the browser address bar is visible and not in compact mobile mode. These first actions get you to the exact page whose ID link you will copy. Once you're on the profile, focus on the address bar. Click it so the full URL highlights. You can press Ctrl+C to copy quickly or right-click and choose Copy if you prefer the menu. If the profile shows a username instead of numeric ID, that username becomes the shareable link and still identifies the account. If you want the numeric ID, inspect the page source or use the About section for external links. After copying the link, now paste the copied link where you need it and verify it points to the right person by opening it in a new tab. Make sure the profile loads for someone outside your session. This confirms the link is correct. If the page is blocked, double-check the profile's privacy settings or try from a different account or browser to rule out cache issues. If the link still fails, refresh Facebook, clear the cache, or copy the link again from the address bar to ensure accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.